it was also your efficiency. How much is that for you, just your mental understanding of the game versus your physical ability?
I think just continuing to understand my spots, knowing where the double is coming, where the trap is coming, and being aggressive, but also knowing, a lot of people are collapsing to kick it out and find the people.
There's a lot of talent on this team, but what does the 30-plus assists you guys stacked up out there say about the willingness to be selfless?
I think it's just that. We want to be a selfless team. We want to play with heart, and we want to continue to find the open person, because defensively it's a little bit of a nightmare for other teams, and we continue to just find the open person.
I know it's early in the season, but where would you say your team's just chemistry building and understanding of one another is so far?
Well, I think, we're at the point where we're not going to wait for it to happen. We're going to make it happen, and we're just continuing to kind of stack wins and build that way.
All right, thanks. Congrats, Stewie.
Shout out Sue Bird. Congrats on your jersey retirement. Sorry I'm not there.
Oh, we love Sue. Thank you, Stewie. Guys.
Very sweet of Stewie, who had told us she was disappointed she wasn't going to be there. That'll be our second game. In the first game, Breanna Stewart, she took care of business here.